On a cruise ship, thousands of meals are served every day, but what happens to the food no one eats? Long after passengers leave the buffet, after the lights dim, and the music fades, perfectly good food disappears. Not leftovers from plates, entire trays. Fresh food, never touched. And almost no one talks about where it goes. Some people think it's donated, others believe it's recycled. Some assume it might be dumped into the ocean, but the reality is far more controlled. Because a cruise ship isn't just serving dinner, it's running one of the largest moving food systems on Earth. Thousands of people, tight schedules, zero room for mistakes. One wrong decision can lead to illness, lawsuits, or environmental damage. So what really happens to all that food? The answer lies in strict laws, advanced technology, and a behind-the-scenes system most passengers never see. And once you understand it, you'll never look at a cruise buffet the same way again. These are 11 shocking truths behind cruise ship buffets. Number 1, a city that never stops eating. A cruise ship isn't a vacation. It's a floating city that never sleeps, and it never stops eating. Every single day, thousands of passengers expect endless food. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, late-night snacks. On large ships, over 15,000 meals are prepared daily. Thousands of eggs, hundreds of kilos of meat, endless trays of bread. Everything must be ready, on time. Because at sea, there's no backup plan, so chefs always prepare extra, and that's where waste begins. Number 2, buffet food has no second chance. The moment food reaches the buffet, its fate is sealed. It doesn't matter if it looks untouched. By law, it cannot go back, because once it's exposed to passengers, it's considered contaminated. Hundreds of people touch utensils, breathe over trays. At sea, one mistake can affect hundreds, so once it's served, it's done. Number 3, the system watching everything. Modern cruise ships track everything. What gets eaten, what gets ignored, what gets thrown away. Passenger behavior is analyzed, even weather changes food decisions. In many cases, it's not the chef deciding anymore, it's an algorithm. Number 4, the invisible line. If food never left the kitchen, it can be reused, but once it reaches the buffet, there are no exceptions. Machines take over, grinders, compactors, dehydrators, hidden below deck. Number 5, turning waste into something else. Food waste is processed, ground down, dehydrated, up to 80% volume reduced. On newer ships, it can even be converted into energy. Number 6, strict ocean laws. Cruise ships follow international laws like MARPOL. Waste can only be discharged under strict conditions. Everything is tracked. Fines can exceed $1 million. Number 7, the truth about zero waste. Zero waste doesn't mean no waste. It means no landfill. Some waste is still burned or processed. Nothing truly disappears. Number 8, the hidden crew. Below deck, teams work 24/7. Sorting, tracking, managing waste, food, plastic, glass, everything is controlled. Number 9, the problem still exists. The average passenger creates around 1.8 kg of waste per day. Multiply that by thousands. The scale is massive. Number 10, passenger habits. Buffets create overserving. People take more than they eat. One simple fix: take less, go again. Number 11, the future is changing. Buffets are evolving. Less excess, more control. AI predicts demand. Luxury is no longer abundance, it's precision. Next time you're at a cruise buffet, remember this: you're part of a system that impacts the ocean, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. If you want to uncover more hidden truths behind cruise life, make sure you're subscribed.